Hey guys, this is Chris from Boombaka Botanicals, and today I wanted to give you a quick care video on Ravina rivularis, also known as the Majesty Palm. Now, the Majesty Palm is quite a common plant, especially in the summer. I know my mom has had quite a few around the pool over the years, and they're beautiful. However, I feel as if there might be one or two misconceptions about them, which leads people to have a bad experience. So the first of which is their lighting situation. They are native to Madagascar, and you will find them along the riverbanks. So while they don't really like a lot of direct sun, they do like a lot of bright sun. So I know a lot of Majesty palm owners or palm parents do tend to stick their palm in a rather shady spot. And by doing that, you're not allowing the sun to capture all of that light, and it has huge leaves, so you want to make sure it's getting that adequate amount of light, or else it will start to decline rather fast. The second is watering. Again, since you will find them along a riverbank, they do not like to be dried out, which is something that took me a little bit of practice since I'm a huge advocate of the soak and dry method. However, I tried that with my palms and I realized that they were getting these brown tips at the end, if you can see that. And that is a sign that they have been underwatered. I'm getting better, but they are but they are heavy drinkers. Just a heads up with that. I feel as if that's another reason why a lot of people get frustrated with a Majesty palm, or really any type of palm. Humidity, they do like it a little bit more humid, so I would say if you're keeping yours outside for the summer, you'll be fine. However, bringing them in for the winter is when I feel as if a lot of people get intimidated. Now, these two guys are quite small, so and they'll probably grow a little bit more during this season, but bringing them in for the winter won't be too much of a problem in terms of space. To keep up with humidity, you can always get a humidifier. That is the easiest and surest way to keep their leaves looking green and beautiful, just like they're in their natural habitat. A word of caution, they are very prone to spider mites when indoors or outdoors, but myself, and I've read a lot of places, people experience spider mites. Now, a lot of people shy away from them because of that, but fill a spray bottle with warm water, lemon juice, and a few drops of liquid dish soap, and you'll be fine, good to go. It has never failed me. And then you can always put it under any plant, underneath a shower head or a sink sprayer, and just spray the leaves. And the last thing is repotting. When you do repot them, I feel as if my palms have done best when they're root bound, and currently only the one in the terracotta pot is root bound, but she's still in her nursery pot. And I like to do that just so if it's ever windy outside, it doesn't blow over completely and ruin the leaves or the new growth. But if you do repot, make sure that the trunk or the base of the trunk is showing, because I've seen some nurseries or greenhouses where this entire thing is covered with dirt, and this is what's going to lead to root rot if that's covered. So yeah, I hope this care video has been informative. Let me know if you have any other questions down in the comments, and I hope we can grow together. Hey guys, just a quick PSA. I know I mentioned the intimidation factor once winter comes, or just the people feel as if they have the inability to care for them properly, or maybe they just went out of trend for them because it's winter. However, I really urge you, do not throw out your palm, even though they are quite affordable and available all over. It still is a living thing, and you wouldn't throw out your pet or your child, now would you? So, save your plants, get a humidifier, get a greenhouse, and think about it before you purchase. Bye guys.